Here to see the gear drop as the throttle comes back so you can get the gear speed. Everything comes out at that point. They're locked in nose to tail now. They'll give each other ample spacing. Lead will land long. That'll give everybody else a chance to use the runway. The number 2 man will land a little longer. Number 3 just a hair longer, and then 4 is going to put it right on the number. And that way you can cover the whole flight in the runway in minimal time. This is the way they do it in the military. Smoke's up, here we go, we got us a dog fight. How about that? Little rat chase. The boys inside, go ahead and do a little rat chase. Yeah, how about that good boy, the number 2 spot? Right behind him is Ryan Patterson Jr. and then there's Colonel Casper coming up with a camouflage, winter camouflage jacket. This is every fighter pilot's nightmare. Now if you're lead, everybody's on your 6 and they're trying to kill you. 6 o'clock that is, right behind you. Not a good place to be. Unless you're in a real fast airplane, go like that. Skydiver shot, come to the announcing stand. Shot, come on over. Here it goes, smoke shot again, to the left. There's Ty Flagmore out of Lancaster, Ohio, in that beautiful S&J. Now people wonder what, like they said, it's an oil field. You have a smoke tank full of oil somewhere back behind the rear seat. And you have civil lines. There, look at there. Glenn, nice move there, Glenn. Smack this thing like a persistent man. Right there, give it another one. Yeah. There's Ryan Patterson. Number 3. And there's Colonel Casper coming in. And that guy's been flying for a long time. He's probably been flying airplanes longer. Most of us have been in a t-shirt. Okay, we're going to do for setup, folks. This is a quick way to get the formation together. We're going to get the lead, we're going to cut a circle. This is like playing, I don't know, pool. You're looking at the geometry of the situation. How can I take my plane and tack it to that guy's wing? He turns the smoke up, letting everybody know where he's at, and now they got to cut in on him right now. They're all heading for his wing right here. Watch. Number 2 coming in, making the cut. Number 3's got a cut just right in there. Number 4 is going to come around. Once they get the door up. Yeah, if you want to see the troops here, we're for Mike Lake today. We've done a tribute of your performance from Great Military Fire. Yeah, a little word for Mike Lake today. If you guys would, just tell us that you're happy to be here and happy to fly for Rudy. Good today. Thank you very much. There you go. Right from the cockpit of the plane, Todd Whitehead. What a heck of a job they've put out here. They will be back a little later on. We're going to have them fly again. They did such a great job. Now we're going to have them come back for a little more excitement, a little more military warbird flying. As you can see off to the right now, they're coming up. Here they come.
We'll be back here in a minute.
below chicken. We still got chicken dinners going.
Trying to take some pictures, but I keep sticking the wrong memory card in.
Get out there and eat some chicken. This ain't Chick-fil-A, just your normal chicken. This is a special.